I am sorry. One of the things that makes humans different is that each person is totally unique. Mr. A may not be comfortable with what Mr. B finds pleasant. A lot of things like one's background, style of formation and process of growth may cause this. The total human population is like the total population of fishes in the water, which makes it possible that you can actually meet a new person each day of your life. But life makes it better that we have those who are much closer to us. What makes a man different from a tree is that a man can consciously offend the other, accepts this, and makes an apology. Human relationships thrive on forgiveness. Friendships and relationships appear to be different today. One can easily offend the other, knows that he or she has done something wrong, and gladly waits for the offended to come and apologize or even ask for forgiveness. Of course, it is often said that the brunt of friendships or relationships is borne by one person, but it was never said that the bearer should die in the process of trying to make the relationship or friendship work. It is just that people consciously let things slip away because everyone knows what they are doing. When you offend the other person, acknowledge that you are wrong and ask for forgiveness. But this is not a license for constant offense, knowing that the other person will easily forgive. It takes little or nothing to say I am sorry whenever you offend someone. You are always happy when you are dealing with others, but it is very difficult for you to accept a clap back. The golden rule remains: do to others whatever you would like them to do to you. Thank you very much.